Customer service versus customer experience. How do banks build loyal customers? Hi, I'm Lisa Maria Alexander, CEO and Chief Strategist of the Leadership Experience. The terms customer service and customer experience are often either confused or used interchangeably. They're not the same thing, but they are related. We are inviting all customer-facing managers and leaders, marketing managers, other service delivery managers to join the program, where you will learn to distinguish between that all-encompassing customer experience and customer service interactions. Understand how to deliver customer service that will positively impact your customers' experiences. Understand the interactions that your customers have with your company, and most of all, understand the keys of great customer experiences that build customer loyalty.
Call us today for this insightful workshop at 321-9330 or 235-6291 extension 1002, or email us at marketing@ibf.org.tt.